Where all my line dancers at? Where all my line dancers at?
Oh, do the shuffle.
Oh yeah, that's right. Them Cleveland Boyz. Now what we're about to do right now is a new dance that's about to take over. And what we call it to the
Do the shuffle.
oh yeah, here we go now. Oh yeah, I get crunk now. Oh yeah, I get up now. Oh yeah, I do the shuffle now. Now what we gonna do is go ahead shuffle it. What we gonna do is go ahead shuffle it. So don't be scared to go ahead shuffle it and get out your chair. Go ahead shuffle it. I wanna see you out there. Go ahead shuffle it. Now I see it out you there. Go ahead shuffle it. Right foot, left foot, left foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. Everybody come on. Let me hear it now. Woo! Let me hear it now. Woo! Kick it out, y'all. Come on. Kick it out, y'all. Come to bring it up now. Bring it back now. Giddy up, giddy up now. Let me hear it now. Woo! Let me hear it now. Woo! Slide it, slide what now? Slide it. Bring it up now. Bring it back now. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up now. Right foot, left foot, left foot, left foot, right foot, right foot. Everybody come on now. Let me hear it now. Woo! Let me hear it now. Woo! Kick it out, y'all. Come on. Kick it out, y'all. Come to bring it up now. Bring it back now. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up now.
Oh, do the shuffle.
Oh yeah, here we go now. 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 Oh yeah, I get crunk 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 now. Now what we gonna do is go ahead shuffle it. What we gonna do is go ahead shuffle it. What we about to do is go ahead shuffle it. Until the song is through, yeah, go ahead shuffle it. Don't be scared. Go ahead shuffle it. Get out the chair. Go ahead shuffle it. I wanna see you out there. Go ahead shuffle it. Now I see you out there. Go ahead shuffle it. Now you out there shuffling. Go ahead get with it. Get it back to crew and go ahead work with it. Cause the Cleveland Boyz is gonna keep dropping it.
Oh, do the shuffle.
If you get new dance, that's the way to rock with it. Make it bounce, shake, twirl, go ahead, pop with it. If you can't do the dance, go ahead and watch it. Won't be a deficit, that can go and stop it. Yeah, that's right, y'all. Critical music up in the house. Say no more. We gon' do it like this. Here we go, y'all. Bring it up now, bring it back now. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up now. Right foot, left foot, left foot, left foot, right foot, right foot. Everybody come on. Let me hear it now. Woo! Let me hear it now. Woo! Slide it. Slide what now? Slide it.
This dance is the Cleveland Boyz, choreographed by Bev Carpenter. It's a 40 count for all line dance. Section 1, start with the right foot, right heel, heel and left heel, heel and right heel, left heel, right heel, that time. Section 2 on the diagonals, forward, touch and clap, forward, touch and clap, back, touch and clap, back, touch and clap. Section 3, shuffle forward, right, and a half turn right, shuffling left, turn another quarter right towards 9, shuffle forward, right, step left next to right, heel split out in. Section 4, kick, pull, cross, slide, touch, kick, pull, cross, slide, touch, last section. Jump forward, right, left, jump back, right, left, giddy up, moving slightly forward, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.